Hello everyone and welcome to Mathematical Literacy. I am Brainstorm Betty, and in this video we will discuss operations with numbers and calculator skills. We can add, subtract, multiply and divide using whole numbers and decimal numbers. We can do this with and without a calculator very simply. In order to do so, we must follow the correct order of operations. So the order in which we do that, we have brackets, other operations, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. This is the order in which we work. Now, we can remember this by using the initials of each of these words. We call that BODMAS. When dividing with decimal numbers, we multiply both the divisor and the dividend by 10, 100, 1,000, any multiple of 10, so that the divisor is an integer. The divisor is the number that we divide by. Let's look at a few of these to practice. 28 plus 4 minus 8 times 3. According to BODMAS, we will first be doing the brackets. That is what we will do first. 28 plus 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8 is negative 4. So 28 plus negative 4 times 3. Nothing else has changed. Only the bracket that we have applied has changed. So next we do multiplication. 28 plus negative times a positive is a negative, and 4 times 3 equals 12. So we have 28 positive minus a negative is a negative minus 12. And that means that our answer is 16. 28 minus 12 equals 16. Our next calculation, 76 divided by, open a bracket, 39 divided by 3 close bracket. So the first thing that we will do is that, the bracket. So we will have 76 divided by 13. So 76 divided by 13 gives us 5 with a remainder of 11. Number 3, negative 10 plus 10 times 2. So a multiplication will be done first, which would be this. So negative 10, positive times a positive is a positive. 10 times 2, 20. Negative 10 plus 20 gives us 10. Number 4, negative 6 plus 8 in a bracket plus, multiply by 2 minus 3. So that is what we will do first. Negative 6 plus 8, 2 times 2 minus 3. 2 times 2 minus 3. 4 minus 3. And that means that we are left with 1 as our answer. Number 5, 42 divided by 6 plus 4 times 2. Now here we have two separate calculations that we need to do first. We need to do this calculation here as well as this calculation here. So 42 divided by 6 is equals to 7 plus 4 times 2, which is 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. Quite simple. Number 6, 0,83 times 4. Now, the decimal there might frighten you, not to worry. We do this in our normal column format, 0,83 times 4. 3 times 4 gives us 12. 8 times 4 gives us our 32, plus 1 gives us 33. Simple enough. However, we need to remember about that comma. Now, in the sum, there is 1, 2 decimal spaces. That means in our answer, there needs to be 1, 2 decimal spaces. And that would mean that our comma will be there. So, our answer, 3,32. Number 7, 0,6 times 0,5. Sorry, negative 0,6 times 0,5. 6 times 5 gives us 30. Nothing else to worry about because all of the rest of negatives are zeros. So 30 as our answer. And now we have a look. In our question, there is 1, 2 decimal spaces. That means in our answer, there needs to be 1, 2 decimal spaces, and our decimal separator will be there. Our answer, therefore, 0,3, because we're not going to write down the 0 afterwards. 0,28 divided by 4. The divisor, the one that we divide by, is already a whole number. We don't have to convert anything. So, long division, 0,28. If there's a comma, we can put the comma in so long, already at our answer. 4 divides into 0 0 times. So because it's before the comma, I'm immediately going to put my 0 there. 4 into 2 cannot, so 0. 4 into 28, 7. 7 times 4, 28. 28 minus 28, nothing. So our answer, therefore, 0,07. Number 9, 0,8 divided by 0,2. Now here, our divisor is not a whole number. So we need to change that one into a whole number. If we multiply this one by 10, because that would make it a whole number, we would also need to multiply this one by 10. So make a note of what you do with your pencil, your color pen, not your normal blue pen. We are multiplying this one by 10, and therefore we also need to multiply that one by 10. So now we just do long division with our results there. So we have now 2, divide that into 8. 2 into 8, 4 times. And therefore our answer is 4. Then, number 10, 3,6 divided by 0,03. Okay, our divisor 0,03 needs to be a whole number. So we would need to multiply by not 10, but 100. What we do with one, we do with the other. So now we have 360 divided by 3. Long division, 3 into 360, 3 into 3 once, 3 into 6 twice, 2 times 3, 6, leaves us with nothing. Draw down the 0, 0, 3 into 0, 0, and do the same thing. It will leave us with 0 again. Our comma would be here, and that is why we continued on. So after the comma, we continue on only if necessary. Number 11, 2,966 divided by 7. 7 into 2, can't. 7 into 29, 4. 4 times 7, 28. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 minus 2, nothing. Draw down this 9. Just grab my pencil. Okay, 19. 7 into 19 twice. 2 times 7, 14. 9 minus 4, 5. 1 minus 1, nothing. We'll draw down our 6. 56. 7 into 56. 7 goes into 56 8 times. 8 times 7, 56. And that will leave us with 0. So our answer would be 428. 22 into 1,089,88. 22 into 10, can't. 22 into 108 goes in there. 4 times 4, 88. So 4 times 22 is 88. Means of nothing. That means us 10 minus 8 gives us with 2. So we can't leave this as nothing. This needs to be a 0. Draw down the 9. 22 into 209 cannot be 10 because 10 would be 220. So it would be 9. 9 times 22, 198. 9 minus 8, 1. 20 minus 19, 1. So in these calculations, we don't worry about that comma. However, in our answer, we put it exactly where it is below as well. Draw down the 8. 118. Okay. 22 into 118, 5 times. 5 times 22 gives us 110. 8 minus 0, 8. 1 minus 1, nothing. 1 minus 1, nothing. Draw down the 8 for 88. 22 into 88, 4 times. And our answer, therefore, 49,54. Thanks for joining. See you next time, and bye for now.